In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block sites on DuckDuckGo search results. If you want cleaner search results and fewer irrelevant websites showing up, DuckDuckGo gives you a simple way to hide specific domains directly from your results page. This helps you focus only on trusted and useful sources while browsing. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to block unwanted sites so they no longer appear in your searches. To begin, open your web browser and go to DuckDuckGo. In the search bar, enter any query you normally use, such as a topic, product, or question, and run the search so results appear on your screen. Once the results load, look through the list and identify a website that you no longer want to see. Check the domain name under the result title to make sure it is the exact site you want to filter out. This step is important to avoid blocking the wrong source. Next, move your cursor to the right side of that search result. You should see a small three-dot menu icon. In some cases, it may only appear when you hover over the result. If needed, adjust your view slightly so the icon becomes visible. Click the three-dot menu to open additional options. From the list, select the option that says Block this site from all results. Once you click it, DuckDuckGo will immediately remove that domain from future search results. You may also notice a brief confirmation message after blocking the site, and in some cases, an option to undo the action if it was selected accidentally. This ensures you always have control over your preferences. A few important notes. This setting is usually saved in your browser, so if you change devices or clear your browsing data, you may need to apply the block again. Also, depending on whether you are using desktop or mobile, the layout may look slightly different, but the same blocking option is generally available. To summarize, perform a search, locate the unwanted website, open the three-dot menu next to the result, and choose Block this site from all results. This small adjustment can significantly improve your browsing experience by reducing clutter and helping you find more relevant information faster. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.